Are you still feeling alright in there, Wayne?
Yeah, I'm still feeling much better, thanks.
Good. I'm so glad. It's only 'cause I worry about you, you know.
There's no need to worry. I'll be okay.
Alright. I'll just go down there now. I'll leave you alone. I'll be up to check you in a bit. See you later. See you later, Wayne. Cheers. Here's the money. See what you think of this, Wayne. See if you're still feeling alright. Wayne? 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 Where the bloody hell is he gone? Oh yeah, I know where he is. There you are. I've got something for you. Yeah, I know. What do you mean, you know? I heard you bring it in. Is that all your word? Ah, good. Anyway, thanks. What for? For finding it. Ah, no problem, that's what family's for, of course. Can you just leave us alone a bit for a few minutes, please? Yeah, sure. I'll just leave it on bed for you. I'll leave you alone for a bit. I'll make sure you have the best funeral ever. I'll bury you where we had the most fun. Promise. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's really got him this time. Yeah. Anyway, thanks Tony, I'm just gonna see how the little squirt's doing right now. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for lending me a couple of your guys. Yeah, okay. Thanks. Yeah, I'm planning on burying it up park today. How come so soon? The sooner the better. The sooner it's buried, the sooner it can be laid to rest. And rest in peace. Oh, I see. times here. I mean, look over there. I mean, just look over, baby. So much freedom out there. Such a good view for you. God. Good times up here, babe. Remember rush hour when I was skateboarding, you were filming? You were good that day. But you were bloody brilliant. Yeah. Even wrote some things on, remember Shadow Fighter? You won't film that. No one will film it as good as you. Anyway, baby, I'll leave you to rest in peace. That's all. Fine. You stay there. And you, Jen, of you back. You say about you. See you, baby. Yeah. Yeah, Jack. Yeah. It is a shame. What do you mean, what am I going to do about Wayne? That's what you trying to say, Jack? He did what? Wayne killed my camera. How do you know? He's been bragging, has he? That's alright. I'll sort it out, Jack. Thanks for telling me anyway.